Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, you'll be working with the gas lift and cover. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Then, place the cover over the gas lift. Secure the backrest onto the seat cushion with L-bar screws. Next, we will attach the armrest. Your arms are labeled right and left. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Attach the headrest to the seat with the included screws. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.